Children, you must be knowing about tongue twisters, isn't it? Tongue twister is a sequence of words or sounds, typically of an alternative kind, that are difficult to pronounce quickly and correctly. Examples: Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Sina leads, Siley needs. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. Can you remember some more tongue twisters? Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Round the rugged rock the ragged rascal ran. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seawards. Fred, fed, Ted, bread and tea. The cat catchers can't catch caught cats. If a woodpecker could chuck wood, how much wood could a woodpecker chuck? That was great! Now let's learn how to make our vocabulary better. There are words in English which sound the same but have a different meanings. For example, right, right. Let's try to find some more such words. Here, here. New, new. Red, red. Sight, sight. Some. Hair, hair. One. Two. Four. Good. Now see this conversation between Naresh, Asif and their teacher. What should we do now? How can we stop the bleeding? Asif, shall we talk to our teacher? Oh, are you in great pain, Naresh? Yes, ma'am, but don't worry. Asif, go and bring the first aid box. Is it first aid box, ma'am? Yes, it is. How can we treat Naresh with this kit, ma'am? Please go through first aid manual. First aid manual. Wash the wound with distilled water. Apply antiseptic cream on wound and cover it with cotton. Bind up the wound with a bandage. After taking first aid, immediately consult the nearest doctor. Now I will show you some pictures. You have to tell me how we can use them. Cotton. It is used to apply medicine on the wound. Band-aid. To cover the wound, which is minor and not bleeding much. Paracetamol. It is a painkiller. It also given to bring the temperature down when a person has got fever. Antiseptic cream. To apply and wound to save it from getting infected. Bandage. To cover and tie the wound. Adhesive tape. To fix the medicated cotton on the wound. Distilled water. To clean the wound. Hand gloves. To cover your hands when you are handling the wound. Very good. Let's see the meaning of difficult words from the lesson. Fierce. Violent or aggressive. Shipwreck. The destruction of a ship at the sea by sinking. Clinging. Attach oneself to. Rescue. To save someone from dangerous or difficult situation. With a heavy heart. Sadly. Set off. Began a journey. Oars. A pole with a flat blade used to row a steer boat through the water. Children, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson.